Lung 8 is located a little bit above your wrist on the thumb side. To locate lung 8, find the spot that is at the thumb side of your wrist crease, right about here. Now find a point that is the width of one thumb above that, right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is lung 8. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate lung 8 on your other wrist.